Thutha wa gweterera kwa ihinda kiama kia mubira wa maguru FKF umuthi nianiriire Sebastien Migne ta kocha munene wa timu ya bururi. Sebastien wa miaka 45 no ria ni raia wa Faraja ekiranire kandarathi ya miaka itatu mweri umwe tu thutha wa kwiyeheria ta kocha munene wa bururi wa Congo na oho ni ekirite mukonde gukorwo arutithanitie wira na kocha wa bururi wa France Claude Leroy.
I want to build something in a new country in Kenya, and maybe to have a good challenge, a good result soon, as soon as possible.
Nyafara uyu egukorwo na timu ya andu ana urugamiriri-ini aria ni hamwe na kocha wa goalkeeper na rigitari.
But on top of that, we are going to have individuals who come in when we have an assignment. 2 more, a goalkeeper trainer and an osteopath, the person in charge of medical. So he's bringing in 4 people. We are bringing in 4 people. Then we are having a conversation around the local coach we're going to have. So we'll discuss this about the local coach with him. We've been discussing for a while and the options we have and what we need to do and how he wants it.
Kuringana na Nick Mwendwa, Sebastien Migne ya gukorwo ari nyafara wa timu ya bururi egukorwo ari na wira wa kunyafara timu ya imwana citakiritie miaka 20 na 23.
That he will oversee the under 23 because of the 2020 Olympics. He will have a hand in it. Obviously, Francis Kimanzi will continue running with it when we have assignments, but he will oversee it. He will also oversee under 20 because his idea is to make selections between under 20 and the senior team. So it's very important to understand the setup now we have, that he has visibility from under 20, under 23, and the senior team, because he might be wanting to pick up players across the 3 teams.
Gifarua giake kia mbere gigukorwo ari mbitika cia kweherania gitaro-ini kia Africa AFCON riria Kenya igatungana na bururi wa Ghana mweri wa 9 kiaro-ini gia Kasarani. Ngiribotera Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.